I want you to have a look at this profile. It has 38 posts and got 60k followers. And if you see the views on this videos, they are all over a million on each reel. Similarly, this is one of the account. It has 700k plus followers and 117 posts only. Then we have this lady who represents dance and lifestyle. She's also having 83 posts and almost 300k followers on this. Similar to this, we have a lot more examples which are there. And the fact about this is none of this is real. They are all AI generated and everything is controlled using AI. So with the help of AI, getting mass attention became a lot more easier. And in this video, I'm going to show you a new way of creating AI influencer. And no, you don't have to be an expert prompter or an AI engineer to create an AI influencer. With this new technique and new tool, you will be able to create everything in a single go. And the thing is, it is having 100 plus parameters which you can control. So you don't have to write any prompt. What you can do is simply change the settings of particular parameter and you will be good to go. Let me show you how. So we are talking about the AI influencer studio of Higgsfield, which they just released, and this is game changer for the creators and AI influencers. Let me show you what I mean by that. So this is a screen of AI influencer studio. As you can see, this is the builder where we are having a lot of parameters which we can control. These are basic parameters, and if I go into advanced settings, I'm having a lot of parameters like each and every detail of the influencer that we can control. And this is basically designed to give you viral video formats. Now what I mean by that is that you never seen any lady like this. This is very rare case, and when it is rare, people are more drawn towards it. The same happened with that AI influencer who was about fitness and lifestyle. So that man, it was completely black and having eyes white, which became a unique attraction point for people, and people started engaging with it. Now similarly, this is possible for all the influencers that you can create. So now imagination is the only limit here. For example, a man having an octopus face, that's also like a different thing. No one have ever imagined this. In the same way, we can create a lot of different characters that grabs the attention immediately. Now how to do that? Simply head over to this site. I will attach it in the description. You can check it out. Now here onto the character, you can select whether you want to create a human face, an ant face. This is going to be the type of the character where you are selecting the face. Then we can select the gender of it. Then we can select the ethnicity of it. So here, let's say for example, I'm keeping Asian. Then we can select skin color, eye colors, let's say blue color. We want blue color. And for the skin condition, I'll leave it as it is. This will be an adult. And for the advanced settings, we can change very precise things like what type of things they want, the types of eye, the details of eye, the ear style. We want to have human ear, then horns, no horns. We want to have facial skin material. So this is going to be the skin texture. Let's have this one. Then we can see surface pattern. We won't be tweaking that. On this side, we have the body parameters. We can have a muscular body and left arm. Maybe we can make it a robotic arm. Right arm, we can keep it as normal as it is. Left leg, right leg, we can control that part as well. And then that is the style of it. We can select the hairstyle. We can choose the accessories in here. And we can also make the rendering settings. I will keep it hyper realistic here because people will be able to relate more onto that. And for that, let's do a crocodile version here. So as soon as you do this, what you will be doing is just click on this generate AI influencer. When you click on it, it will start generating the influencer for you. And when this generation is ready, I'll show you how you can also create this viral videos. So let's just wait for this generation to finish and then we'll switch to the viral video creation part here. And by the way, if you want to create a very different character from the settings which are available here, what you can do is simply go to the prompt and paste the prompt here. This way you can also create the character based on your liking, based on the differentiations that you want to make into the character. Okay, so we have our influencer ready here. This is a face of a crocodile. One hand is normal, second hand is robotic, and as we can see, almost all the details are perfect in here. Let me know what do you think about this character, by the way. Now we want to create a video out of it. So what we need to do is simply click here on this video option, which is try free. They are providing free credits now. So if you are signing up, you can use this free credits to generate the videos. And then I'll be clicking on this one. And here I can click on this explore more. Like they will be having some options, but we'll click on this explore more button here. And this is where we can select from the motions which are available there. So for example, these are some of of the viral dances that happen on the internet, and they have a template of it. So simply I can click any of this. Let's say for example I want to select this motion in here because it matches with the style of the crocodile, and we will be already having this image in here. So now what we need to do is just select the quality here, scene control mode, turn on, and make sure it is image, because this will ensure that the character that you design here is having the same setup as it is in the image, and it will only pick the motion from this one. So basically we are using here the motion control tool of Higgsfield, which will help you gain the motion of any character or video into your own character. So now you can also perform certain tasks. You can upload your video and your character will take the motion of your video and it will be designed in that way. Let me just click on this generations here. So I'll click on generate part, and this is where the generation will happen. We'll wait for the generation to finish and we'll be coming right back here. So while this is in generation, I would like to tell you this part that this tool can be used to create variety of videos, and people are going to create a lot of bad stuff as well, but we can utilize this and actually capitalize on this one by creating really good influencers that have good impact on the world and that brings some value in here. If you are just creating it for the sake of it, then you might get short term attention, but then that will be wasted and your brand will die. So better to have an influencer that actually makes the difference in the world and helps the world get on the better stage using that AI influencer. Okay, so our video is ready, and as you can see, this is very accurate motion control, and the character consistency is also there. If you see that, now you can use this feature to create a lot more interesting videos. For example, if you see onto lifestyle and dancing reels, this is one of it. Like we just created it. This was the main character, and this was a reference video in here, and we are able to match this perfect trend using just this tool. So this is going to set a new trend of AI influencers on the social media and the internet. But with that, it's also important to use this carefully and use it in the way that it is beneficial to the world. Let me know about the quality of this videos and how you're going to use it in the comments, and subscribe if you want to explore AI along with me. See you in the next one.